Okay, so for the next slides, you'll need to now finish the work without it being calculated, but it'll set up the problem for you so it's not that difficult. Alright, for this one you'll see the starting values x to the third plus 5x squared plus 11x plus 10. We're going to take those and plug them in here, and we're dividing by x plus 2. So the first thing we need to do is plug in our coefficients. So our coefficient of x cubed is 1. 1. Our coefficient of x squared is 5. Our coefficient of x is 11. And our constant is 10. As you'll see, it's being populated over here, so you don't have to really think about where they go yet. Just think about what these represent. Next is the divisor. Remember, change the sign. So it's plus 2 here. When you put it into the equation, you change the sign to negative 2. So now you'll see there's this blank that says answer. I'm going to get to that in a minute, but first let's do the math on this side over here. So you can draw with a pen, or you can type in the numbers. The first thing you'll see is the 1 already comes straight down. So whatever number's here is going to go straight down. There's no real math involved. There it goes. Next is negative 2, and we're going to multiply it by 1. So negative 2 multiplied by 1, which is negative 2. I'm going to add these together. 5 minus 2. 5 plus negative is the same as subtraction. So 5 plus negative 2 is 3. Next I'm going to multiply 2 times 3. I'm sorry, negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Now I'll add these together. 11 minus 6, or 11 plus negative 6, same thing, is 5. Last thing, multiply 2 times 5. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. I'm going to add 10 and negative 10. I'll get 0. Okay, good. So now what the answer is to take these three pieces and put them into an equation using the coefficients 1, 3, and 5 for the a, b, and c. X squared plus 3x plus 5. So you can see the 5 goes here, the 3 goes here, and the 1 goes there. So my final answer is x squared plus 3x plus 5. Okay, you can check your work. So I'll show you one more where I can get you started, but I want you to finish the answer on your own. So I'll put in our coefficients here. Alright, so over here you're going to be drawing 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. Okay, next is 14. I'm sorry, first 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. If I add these, it's 14 minus 12. $14 take away $12. I still have 2. Now it's 3 times 2, which is 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Alright, now think about for your answer. These are your coefficients that go in front of the x squared, the x, and the constant. So finish that up, and then you can continue the next one the same way we're doing this process.